This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Gail Mulford. Available August 1st. Come enjoy the peaceful mountain life. This home sits on 3.25 private acres of low-maintenance property with mountain views and a large porch, screen porch and wrap-around decks for enjoying the outdoors. The home is fully furnished and features a large kitchen, living room with gas log fireplace and a large bedroom and full bathroom on each level. Other features include a laundry area on both the main and lower level, and a great room with a billiards table and kitchenette. For more information, review the details below or contact Gail Mulford at 706-745-3500.